When it comes to our health, the food we eat plays a crucial role. This is especially true for individuals who have undergone bariatric surgery or are looking to manage conditions like acid reflux and inflammation. A well-planned diet can be incredibly powerful, aiding in weight management, reducing inflammation, and promoting overall well-being. Bariatric-friendly and anti-inflammatory diets often go hand in hand. They focus on nutrient-rich foods that are easy to digest, low in calories, and help reduce inflammation. This means incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. In this essay, we'll explore 3 delicious and easy-to-prepare recipes that perfectly embody these principles: grilled shrimp skewers with steamed asparagus, turkey and vegetable stir-fry with teriyaki glaze, and grilled chicken and vegetable skewers with yogurt-based dipping sauce. These recipes are not only kind to your stomach, but are also packed with flavor and nutrition, making healthy eating a delightful experience. Remember, making gradual changes to your diet can have a significant impact on your health journey. So let's dive into these recipes and explore the world of delicious and healthy eating. Grilled shrimp skewers are a light and flavorful dish, perfect for those following a bariatric-friendly diet. Shrimp is a low-calorie, high-protein option that's gentle on the stomach and packed with essential nutrients. It's also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids known for their anti-inflammatory properties. 1 pound large shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 1. Preheat your grill to medium heat. 2. In a bowl, combine olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. 3. Thread the shrimp onto skewers. 4. Grill the skewers for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until pink and cooked through. These skewers are incredibly versatile and can be paired with a variety of sides. For a complete and satisfying meal, serve them with a side of steamed asparagus. Steamed asparagus is a fantastic side dish that complements the grilled shrimp beautifully. Asparagus is low in calories and carbohydrates, making it a bariatric-friendly choice. It's also a good source of fiber, which can aid digestion and promote regularity. 1 bunch fresh asparagus. 1. Wash the asparagus and trim the woody ends. 2. Fill a pot with about 1 inch of water and bring it to a boil. 3. Place the asparagus in a steamer basket and set it over the boiling water. 4. Cover the pot and steam for 5 to 7 minutes or until the asparagus is tender crisp. Steamed asparagus is incredibly versatile and can be seasoned with various herbs and spices to your liking. A sprinkle of salt and pepper is all you need for a simple and delicious side dish. A turkey and vegetable stir-fry is a fantastic option for a quick and healthy weeknight meal. Turkey is a lean protein source that's low in calories and fat, making it ideal for weight management. It's also a good source of B vitamins, which play a vital role in energy metabolism. 1 tablespoon olive oil asterisk, 1 cup broccoli florets, asterisk, 1 cup sliced carrots asterisk, 1 cup snap peas asterisk, 1/2 cup chopped onion asterisk, 1/4 cup low-sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon grated ginger. 1. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. 2. Add the ground turkey and cook until browned, breaking it up with a spoon. 3. Add the broccoli, carrots, snap peas, and onion to the skillet. 4. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, honey, and ginger. 5. Pour the sauce over the turkey and vegetables and cook until the vegetables are tender crisp, about 5 to 7 minutes. This stir-fry is packed with flavor and nutrients, making it a satisfying and healthy meal. Serve it over a bed of brown rice or quinoa for a complete and balanced meal. Section 5. The teriyaki touch, adding flavor without the guilt. The teriyaki glaze in this recipe adds a delicious depth of flavor without adding unnecessary calories or fat. Teriyaki sauce is typically made with soy sauce, honey, or sugar and ginger, creating a savory and slightly sweet flavor profile. You can easily control the sweetness of the glaze by adjusting the amount of honey used. By making your own teriyaki glaze, you can avoid the added sugars and preservatives often found in store-bought versions. This allows you to enjoy the delicious flavors of teriyaki while staying true to your bariatric-friendly diet. This stir-fry is incredibly versatile and can be customized to your liking. Feel free to experiment with different vegetables such as bell peppers, mushrooms, or snow peas to create a dish that suits your taste preferences. Section 6. Grilled chicken and vegetable skewers. A classic with a twist. Grilled chicken and vegetable skewers are a classic dish that's perfect for any occasion. Chicken is a lean protein source that's low in calories and fat, making it a healthy and satisfying choice. Grilling the chicken and vegetables enhances their natural flavors, creating a delicious and aromatic dish. 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into 1-inch cubes. 1 cup cherry tomatoes. 1 cup zucchini, cut into 1-inch cubes. 1 cup red onion, cut into 1-inch pieces. 1/4 cup olive oil. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano asterisk. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 1. Preheat your grill to medium heat. 1. In a bowl, combine the olive oil, garlic powder, oregano, salt, and pepper. 1. Thread the chicken, cherry tomatoes, zucchini, and red onion onto skewers. 1. Grill the skewers for 10 to 12 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. These skewers are incredibly versatile and can be served with a variety of sides, such as a green salad, quinoa, or brown rice. For an extra layer of flavor, serve them with a side of yogurt-based dipping sauce. Section 7. The yogurt-based dip, a creamy and healthy addition. A yogurt-based dipping sauce adds a creamy and tangy element to the grilled chicken and vegetable skewers. Yogurt is a good source of protein and calcium, and it's also a probiotic, meaning it contains beneficial bacteria that can promote gut health. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon chopped fresh dill. 1 tablespoon lemon juice asterisk. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 1. In a small bowl, combine the Greek yogurt, dill, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. 1. Stir until well combined. This yogurt-based dipping sauce is a healthy and flavorful alternative to traditional creamy dips, which are often high in calories and fat. It's also incredibly versatile and can be used as a dressing for salads or a topping for baked potatoes. Bariatric-friendly cooking focuses on creating meals that are easy to digest, low in calories, and high in nutrients. This type of cooking is especially important for individuals who have undergone bariatric surgery, as it helps them achieve and maintain a healthy weight while ensuring they get the nutrients their bodies need. Some key principles of bariatric-friendly cooking include choosing lean protein sources, opt for chicken, fish, turkey, tofu, beans, and lentils. Emphasizing fruits and vegetables. Aim to fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables at every meal. Choosing whole grains. Choose brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread over refined grains. Limiting unhealthy fats. Avoid fried foods, fatty meats, and full-fat dairy products. Staying hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. By following these principles, you can create delicious and satisfying meals that support your health and well-being. Inflammation is a natural process that helps your body heal and fight off infection. However, chronic inflammation can contribute to a range of health problems, including heart disease, arthritis, and cancer. An anti-inflammatory diet can help reduce inflammation throughout your body, promoting overall health and well-being. Some of the best anti-inflammatory foods include fatty fish, salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. Leafy green vegetables, spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are good sources of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help reduce inflammation and support your overall health. Recovering from bariatric surgery requires a careful and gradual approach to food. Your diet will progress through different stages, starting with liquids and slowly introducing solid foods as you heal. During the early stages of recovery, it's essential to choose foods that are easy to digest and won't irritate your stomach. Some good options include sugar-free gelatin broth-based soups, unsweetened applesauce, cooked vegetables, pureed or mashed, lean protein such as chicken, fish, or tofu, shredded or pureed. As you progress through the stages of recovery, you can gradually reintroduce more solid foods, always listening to your body and following your doctor's recommendations. Eating a bariatric-friendly and anti-inflammatory diet doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or enjoyment. By incorporating fresh ingredients, flavorful spices, and healthy cooking techniques, you can create delicious and satisfying meals that support your health and well-being. The recipes shared in this essay are just a starting point. There are endless possibilities when it comes to creating healthy and flavorful meals that meet your dietary needs. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients, spices, and cooking methods to find what you enjoy most. Remember, making gradual changes to your diet and lifestyle can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. So embrace the journey, savor the flavors, and enjoy the benefits of a healthier you.